question on everyone's mind.
Indeed, a critical discussion for our times.
Hi, I'm Ash, and I believe AI is not a threat, it's a tool for progress. Think about it. AI can make work easier, faster, and smarter. From farmers using AI to detect pests, to doctors getting faster diagnoses, it's changing lives. The world is moving ahead, and India must move too. We can't block the future. We must prepare for it.
Hi, I'm Sora, and I'm not anti-tech. But let's not act blind. For India, where a majority still struggles with basic digital literacy, AI is a storm that's arriving too fast. Who's thinking about the factory worker? The delivery guy? They're not getting upgraded, they're getting replaced. AI is not just a tool here, it's becoming a job killer.
I agree, there's a skills gap. But that's not AI's fault. It's a human planning failure. Instead of fearing AI, we must train people for new roles. AI opens up hundreds of job types, from prompt engineers to AI safety testers. Even support staff will be needed to manage AI tools. India has brains, energy, youth. Let's equip them.
Let's not live in theory. Even today, 90% of Indian workers are in the informal sector. No training, no security. They can't just upgrade overnight. And while we talk about new jobs, AI is killing 5 before creating 1. That's not innovation. It's economic cruelty dressed in code.
I recently met a startup in Rajasthan that uses AI to predict rainfall and soil health. Farmers are getting better crops. Is that a threat? No. That's AI giving hope to rural India. Even street vendors use AI-powered payment tools today. If we bring AI to the grassroots with training and access, it becomes India's strength, not its enemy.
And I met a man in Delhi, 40 years old, worked as a warehouse packer. Lost his job to an AI-based robotic system. His skill? Carrying boxes. What job will AI give him now? None. His story is not unique. It's becoming common. We can't romanticize AI when millions like him are being pushed out silently.
Every revolution feels fast. Industrial, internet, mobile. But we adapted. We always do. The same AI that replaces a job also creates a need for supervision, testing, content, repair. Yes, it moves fast, but so must we. It's time we stop fearing change and start owning it.
How will Sora counter this? For this, watch part 2, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.